Input, output devices, beginner level, introduction. Input and output devices, I/O devices, are hardware components that allow users to interact with a computer system. They form the communication bridge between user, computer. These devices enable entering data into the system, input, receiving results from the system, output. Examples include keyboard, mouse, input, monitor, printer, output. This topic helps beginners understand how users communicate with computers, different types of I/O devices, how data flows in and out of a system. It also introduces concepts like data input, data output, human-computer interaction, peripheral devices. What are input-output devices? Input devices are used to send data to a computer. Output devices are used to display or present results. In simple words, input equals give data to computer. Output, get data from computer. A beginner view includes input devices means send data, CPU means processes data, output devices means show results. Why input-output devices are important. I/O devices are essential because they enable user interaction, allow data entry, display results, support communication. Without I/O devices, no interaction with system, no input or output possible. Computer becomes useless for users. Input versus output overview. Type, purpose. Input, send data to computer. Output, display results to user. Input devices allow users to provide data to the computer. Common input devices. Keyboard means typing text. Mouse means controlling cursor. Scanner means digitizing documents. Microphone means voice input. Touchscreen means direct interaction. Example. User input equals input, enter your name. Output devices. Output devices display processed data. Common output devices. Monitor means visual display. Printer means physical output. Speakers means sound output. Projector means large display. Example. Print, hello user. Input means process, means output, cycle. This is the basic working model. Input is given, CPU processes it. Output is generated. Example. Name equals input, enter name. Print, hello name. Types of input devices. 1. Text input keyboard. 2. Pointing devices, mouse, touchpad. 3. Audio input, microphone. 4. Image input, scanner, camera. Types of output devices. 1. Text output, monitor, printer. 2. Audio output, speakers, headphones. 3. Image output, monitor, projector. Visual output monitor. 2. Audio output speakers. 3. Printed output printer. Example of I/O representation. I/O system equals input, keyboard, mouse, output, monitor, printer. Simple I/O example number equals int input enter a number. Print square, number times number. Interactive I/O example. Name equals input enter your name. Age equals input enter your age. Print, name, age. Full menu-based I/O simulation. Python, def input data, return input, enter data. Def process data, data. Return data dot upper. Def output data, data. Print output data. While true, print. N1 input data, print. 2 process data, print. 3 output data, print. 4 exit. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, data equals input data. Elif choice equals 2, data equals process data data. Elif choice equals 3, output data data. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else print, invalid choice. Concepts learned from I/O devices. Conc, user-computer interaction. Conc, data input and output flow. Conc, types of I/O devices. Conc, input means, process means, output cycle. Conc, real-world computing interaction. Real-life analogy. I/O devices are like communication in a conversation. Input means you speak. Computer means thinks. Output means responds. Ways to improve knowledge. Explore different input devices. Use advanced peripherals. Graphics tablet, VR. Learn device drivers, study human-computer interaction, build simple interactive programs. Common mistakes beginners make. Confusing input and output devices. Confusing, ignoring role of CPU in between. Thinking I/O devices process data. Not understanding data flow. Overlooking device compatibility. Where I/O devices are used. I/O devices are used in computers and laptops, smartphones, ATMs, gaming systems, embedded systems, industrial machines. Input/output devices. Hardware components that allow users to send data to a computer and receive results from it. Final summary. Input and output devices make computers usable and interactive. They enable, communication with users, data entry and display, real-time interaction, system usability. Understanding I/O devices helps you understand how computers interact with the real world.